How do I properly dispose of used adult diapers for incontinence?
Hello and welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to properly dispose of used adult diapers for incontinence. This is an important topic for anyone providing care for loved ones with incontinence or people managing incontinence themselves. Proper disposal not only ensures cleanliness and hygiene but also reduces the potential for odors and environmental impact.
Why is proper disposal important?
The importance of proper disposal of used adult diapers cannot be overstated. In addition to maintaining a clean and odor-free environment, it also prevents the spread of germs and pathogens. Moreover, by responsibly disposing of these products, we can help minimize their environmental impact.
Gathering necessary supplies.
Before you start, it's essential to have a few supplies on hand. 1. Disposable gloves. These are crucial to protect your hands from coming into contact with waste. 2. Plastic bags. Small, sealable plastic bags, like grocery bags, can be used to contain the used diaper. 3. A lidded bin. This can be a regular trash bin or a specialized diaper bin. 4. Hand sanitizer or soap, for cleaning your hands afterward.
Disposal steps.
Here are the steps to properly dispose of an adult diaper. 1. Put on your disposable gloves. This will prevent direct contact with waste. 2. Roll up the used diaper. Fold it inward from both sides and then roll it up from the bottom to top, so all waste is contained inside. 3. Place the rolled diaper in a plastic bag. This adds an extra layer of odor protection and prevents leakage. Ensure to tie or seal the bag securely. 4. Dispose of the bag in the lidded bin. The bin should then be sealed to prevent any escape of odors. 5. Remove your gloves carefully. Ensure you're not touching the outer surface of the gloves with your bare hands. Dispose of the gloves in the same bin. 6. Wash your hands thoroughly. Use soap or hand sanitizer to clean your hands after disposing of the diaper.
Regular bin maintenance.
In order to keep your space clean and odor-free, it's important to regularly empty and clean the diaper bin. The frequency will depend on how quickly it fills up, but as a rule of thumb, try to empty it at least once a week. After emptying the bin, clean it with a disinfectant or bleach solution to kill any germs or bacteria. Managing incontinence can be a challenging task, but with the right knowledge and practices, it can be made easier. Properly disposing of used adult diapers not only ensures hygiene but also contributes to a better living environment. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we encourage you to share it with others who might benefit. Stay clean, stay safe.